guys are just stretching a smile today. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new hot day here outside. The sun is out and is showing out today. The day has long gone. It's now early afternoon and I'm just starting the vlog because I'm just feeling like picking up the camera. I was just going through the motions of my morning. Morning start off a bit rocky, but hey, we do what we gotta do and we keep it moving and get things done. Woke up and Sarah wasn't in one of the best moods. Tyler had to head out for school, so we got through that. We got back and I spent some time with her. I had work to do, so I get that done while she was watching her learning. As long as her TV's on and she's seen her ABC and her learning stuff, she's fine. Of course, she would not go down for a nap, so I did not fight with her. I let her stay until she was ready to sleep. On her own, she fell asleep in the couch. She wanted nothing to do with her bedroom. I mean, she wanted nothing to do with her bed. Not her room, but her bed. Once you enter her room and tell her nap or to sleep, she's not having it. Last night was rough. It was very, very rough last night, but we got through it. We got through it and she's here. I'm just looking at her little sweet face right now, napping beside me. Let me show you guys her. That's how she fall asleep, right there, and I'm not troubling her. She's been, ooh, there we go, my girl. Oh my god. So Tyler's at school, baby's at work, and I'm here and doing what I gotta do. In another hour I need to go and pick up Tyler from school, so I'm going to try and get some stuff done in the kitchen until that time comes while I'm working. But something is saving right now. I'm just rambling and all over the place, but anyway, you guys feel the vibes. That's what's been happening around here, but we're going through, we're making it through, we're doing what we gotta do. And thank you guys for all the love and all the positive energy that you guys have sent my way on previous vlogs, telling you guys what I've been going through. I just had to share it with you guys, but that's my journey right now, and I'm just gonna deal with it and go through. It's exhausting, but I gotta do what I gotta do. With all that said, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Can you guys tell that I did not get to do any workout this morning because, like I said, I had a rough night. I had a rough start to my morning, so we just go through the motions. But I'm sure I'll probably get a little obsession in later when everybody's home and things kind of calm down, because I'll see how my body feels. But right now, that's how it's feeling. It's feeling tired. While Sarah take her little nap, I'm going to get some stuff done. So have a good day. Enjoy the little bits that we have to show you through the rest of today, raw and real. And subscribe if you're new to the fam bam right now, and catch me and keep up. And you'll see Tyler when I pick him up from school. You'll see Babe when he gets home, and of course you'll see the princess whenever she wakes up. So stick around and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Home and his sister. Sarah come for Tyler to play tennis. Too cute.
Why is she doing that? Why is she doing that?
Because maybe she thinks that's what it's to do.
Sarah, hold the racket. Sarah, here. The racket, the ball, and throw it like back. Okay? Sarah, I'm going to start. Look. Catch, Sarah! Catch, catch, catch!
She's not only catching, but she's throwing too.
It's here! Look! Look, Sarah, it's here!
Take your time, Ty, not too loud. My babies are here playing with each other and keeping each other company. Mama is in the kitchen and making dinner. Tyler has been asking for Jamaican soup. That's what he call it, Jamaican soup. Because we have Jamaican soup and French soup. That's how we differentiate them in this house. The French soup is the one that I always blend out and make creamy with no meat and such. And the Jamaican soup is all the fandangles. So that's what I'm here doing. Tyler love dumpling. So he's been asking me for Jamaican soup. So I made a small pot of chicken soup with enough dumpling. That's this time of year that I really look forward to, so I can make a lot of soups. So that goes dinner while they're over there being themselves. Mama! Papa! Bingo! My sweet, 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 sweet. And you know, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Once it's at the end, there'll be something so funny.
Okay. If you're happy and you know it, do our 4. Clap, clap, jump, jump, turn around, up, down. Oh.
Clap, clap.
Okay, finish, finish. Finish? She's still singing.
Hey guys, good afternoon, good evening. Well, it's the end of the day. It's the end of a long day, especially for Babe. Sarah doesn't look like her old self. I don't know if it's a phase in terms of she don't want to go to sleep, fighting sleep, waking up in the night, giving hard time to her parents. Or maybe she just don't feel good, but inside me I think it's the first one. She just want to give hard time to her parents. So yeah, I have to give a lot of credit to Babe that she handled most of the things. So I was at work and I'm sure she had a long day, so yeah. So I'm here to end the vlog. I hope you had a good moment. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Hopefully she can get some stuff done. Hopefully I'll be working from home, so I take care of a lot of things, hopefully. So yeah, so give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, to turn on the notification bell, to like, and to share and catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.